All right, folks. Example number 2. Again, we're reviewing a lot of stuff right now. We're getting our wheels, our feet back under us, getting the wheels turning, okay? Just going through these rules of multiplication. Looking at A, all right? It says 4 times -6 times -7 times -5, all right? Cecilia, help me with this. Before we figure out the number value, the absolute value of it, just tell me, what's the sign of the product going to be? Is it going to be negative or positive?
Negative.
Negative, yeah, because I've got 3 of them. These 2 will turn positive, but I'm left with a negative, right? All right, so my answer I know is going to be negative. Can we do this one? You can use your calculator if you want. Let's think about it for a second. I like 4 times 5 because that's 20. And 6 times 7 is 42. So now I've got 20 times 42. Well, 2 times 42 is what? 84. So 20 times 42 is 840. But it's negative 840. Oh. Just like they did it back in the day. Back before electricity. Back before water and dirt when I was a kid. I had to bring my own sand to the beach. I'd never heard that one before until last year. I was like, I'm so old. Blah, blah, blah. It's good. You so old, did you have to bring sand to the beach? Like, I like that one. Yeah. Back when I was a kid, they didn't have sand at the beach. You had to bring your own. What?
We didn't have sand.
BYOS for Eurozone.
Look, SK, we're not going to think too much about this, all right? All right. Let's see. Hang on. Clay, before we answer, what's the sign of the product going to be?
The sign is going to be a positive.
It's going to be a positive. So I've got these 2, and I've got these 2. So all of them turn positive, right? Good.
Is it, if the amount of negatives is positive, it turns...
No.
I mean,
Even, right, because a pair of them turns positive. So if I have an even number,
like 3 negatives, it turns...
it'll be negative,
Okay.
right? Does that make sense?
Yes.
Does that make sense?
Yes.
Good. All right, I don't know. I mean, I like 6 times 5 because that's 30,
I
right?
like 8 times
But wait a minute, then that's going to give me 16. 16 times 30. Let's stick with 30. What about 30 times? What about 30 times 2? Okay, so that's 60. So I've multiplied these 2. So now I've got 60. What do you want to do next?
2. Let's try 8. So
60 times 8.
480.
So now I've got 480, but now I've got 7 times 480. Let me write that down just so I don't forget. 7 times 480. You know, my daughter, well, you guys too. You did partial products. You did partial products. What's 7 times 4?
28.
But it's 7 times 400, so it's 2,800, right? And 7 times 8 is 56, but it's 7 times 80, so that's 560. And then
up to around 3,360.
is that what it? Around 3,360. Oh, look, you guys have calculators too. Okay, all right, great, quick, Emily, give me C right now. Answer for C. Oh.
I know it.
Oh.
0.
Emily, that was close. Wait, let me get my, here's a 0. Okay, thank you, Emily, nice job. All right, okay, good, we're done there. Let's look at the next one.